Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you WhatsApp registration code was requested for your phone number. So guys, if you receive message saying WhatsApp registration code was requested for your phone number, it means that someone has attempted to register a WhatsApp account using the phone number. So guys, to protect your account, WhatsApp sends a push notification to your WhatsApp to alert you for this activity. So if you did not request a registration code, it's possible that someone else has mistyped their phone number and accidentally entered yours. And to secure your account, do not share the verification code with anyone. Guys, do not click on any links or provide any personal information to unknown source. And number two, wait for the verification code to arrive and do not attempt to guess the code. Number three, if you do not receive the verification code, try restarting your phone or requesting a new code. Number four, if you continue to experience issues, contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. So guys, these are the solutions. Remember to keep your WhatsApp account secure by enabling two-step verification and not sharing your verification code with anyone. So you can turn on your two-step verification by going on three dots, then tap on settings and then account, and you can see two-step verification, and you can see it's already turned on, and you can do two-step verifications from there. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.